little sick right now, so I'm sounding stuffy. But in my other video, I actually just bought the DRZ. So I just bought that. The garage is a little messy. But, so, what I'm going to do today is, it has the Yoshi exhaust, which I'm fine with. But it's just, I've never liked how on the DRZs the exhaust always just stuck out really far. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know the proper word for it, but basically I'm just going to shorten it. Like, cut this to like there, somewhere around there. And I watched a few videos on it, did a little bit of research, and it seems pretty easy. So I'm going to go for it. And I wish I could take off that rim tape. I don't really like it, but it's on there like hard. It's so hard to get off. And I want to take this off. I just don't really use it, don't like it. It makes it look like a dual sport. And I wish I could take these barbed wire graphics off too, but you can't tell, but the graphics on the tank are actually clear coated over from the factory, so you like basically can't get them off. But other than that, the bike is stock fender eliminator thing, but I'm going to go ahead and shorten the exhaust. Because I'm just removing these bolts. There's 4 of them. And pretty sure when I remove those, it releases the baffle. So I got this sketchy Allen wrench setup going on right now. But it works, so yeah. So I got the 4 bolts out. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all around. But I think that should come loose. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming loose. So close. Oh, there we go. And that's all the like sound deadening material that they put in there to make it quiet. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to drill out these 4 rivets that hold the Yoshimura like plate badge on there. Just drill them out, pretty simple. I'm not here to do a tutorial, I'm just showing you what I'm doing. It's hot. I was scared. The hummingbird just came in my garage. Oh, I feel like I'm going to get fiberglass over. Oh god. Can't cut a straight edge to save my life. Oh. I should be able to correct it though, so I'll just like file it down with the angle grinder and see what I can do. Alright, so I got it all put back together. It came out alright, but as you can see, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and test start it. See what it sounds like. That's actually way louder than I thought it would be. But that's that. I got it all put on, and I still have a few things to do. I still have to put the Yoshimura plate right there. This is just chilling in there. I still have to rivet that. I'm not gonna, it came with bolts, but I'm actually going to rivet it because it'll just be easier. And other than that, it's done. So that wasn't really a how-to, but more like a what I did in my bike today video. I don't know what should I call that. But I'm going to Lowe's, get some rivets, and finish this thing up just so it's tightened up. I'm not going to record that, so I don't know. Maybe I'll upload more bike videos in the future. In the meantime, bikes and cars, drifting, who